So, today, the 21st of December, today's Wera Advent Calendar Day comes from my family's annual jigsaw puzzle. Well, let's warm it up. We have a chessboard, black and white stuff, something along those lines. Very jolly. Anyway, today's thing comes from the site of a partly done jigsaw puzzle. Right. Day 21. We have, looks like it's going to be another rapid adapter bit. Yay, another chonky talks bit. So, that will go alongside the others. Hope you're all having a tolerably good whatever you're having, wherever you're actually having it, given the current restrictions of everything. Best wishes, see you tomorrow.